Hi guys, you are watching Hyper IT Tech channel, and in this video I will show you that how you can enable the email forwarding over the Microsoft 365 emails. Means if you have the Microsoft 365 professional emails account or admin panel, then you can enable email forwarding on your users so that email can be forwarded to your users. Let's say if someone is on leave, so automatically email will be forwarded to the another email. So how you can enable the email forwarding over the Microsoft 365, it is a little tricky, so we will see that. Here you are. So I have logged in into my email because I am the administrator. First of all, once you insert the login, you have to click onto the all apps, then you have to click onto the admin. Not admin, basically you have to click onto the security. In all apps you will have an option of security, so you have to click onto the security. Once the security is opened, you have to click onto the email and collaboration. Inside the email and collaboration, you have to click onto the policy and rules. Inside the policy and rules, you have to click onto the thread policies. Once you inside the thread policies, you have to click onto the anti-spam. Once you inside the anti-spam policies, then you have to click onto the third one option, that is anti-spam outbound policy. Means this policy is totally deal with the outbound rules. So you have to just click on that. At your right hand side, a small window will be opened or pop-up will be open. You have to scroll down it and click onto the edit protection settings. Once you click onto the edit protection settings, you will have a forwarding rule, and you can see that it is on, means enable. So you have to enable it. By default it is off in every Microsoft 365, so you have to open through the admin center and you can do this via this way forward. Once you on it, you have to click save and email forwarding will be operational. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.